What's good in the hood? It's Fats. So today, nandito kami sa the Upper Deck Sports Center, Ortigas, to visit the Plunge Dive Club, Pasig, and get a survival swimming lesson from Swim Central. So ayan, muntik pa kami mawala pero nahanap naman namin yung place. Binook namin itong survival swimming lesson through the Facebook page of Swim Central for only 1,299 for 2 sessions. Then when you get here at the Plunge Dive Club, there's an additional 400 pesos for the pool access fee. And ito na yung pool nila. Merong mababaw na part dyan, merong malalim na part, 15 feet yung lalim niya, and hindi nyo makikita yung ilalim. So, ayan, nagpalit na kami ng damit. And right now, nagdi-discuss na si Coach Alyssa. Sobrang galing niyang swimming coach. Napaka-visual niya magturo. And kapag may question ka, hindi ka mahihiya kasi napaka-accommodating niya. And ito naman yung part wherein nagka-practice kami ng threading. Next niyan ay tatalo na kami. So, ayun! Hey! Dadako na tayo sa pinaka nakakakabang part wherein tatalon tayo sa mas mataas na part. 15 feet pa rin yung bagsak pero pagsasamahin mo na lahat ng natutunan mo, yung threading, breathing, the paddle, floating, lahat. All throughout naman ng langoy mo ay i-coach ka, and right now si Coach to yung nag-a-assist sa akin dito para hindi mo makalimutan yung next step and para hindi ka malunod. So I'm so happy kasi meron akong natutunang bagong life skill and hindi na ako gigedli-gedli lang sa mga susunod naming swimming. If you want to learn how to swim and conquer your fear, then we definitely recommend Swim Central. Thanks guys!